Together we rise, together we climb, building better humans, training your lives.
Today's workout is going to be a new CFTY total. In this workout, we're going to go ahead and take 30 minutes to establish a 1 rep max power clean, bench press, and accumulate max seconds in a dead hang hold. Now, you'll get 3 attempts to complete that power clean, a 1 rep max, as well as your bench press. So when we're warming up, you can go ahead and warm up as long as you'd like, but once you declare that you are starting your first set, you will not be able to go ahead and take away any set that you messed up on. All right? So if I'm declaring this is my first set, I'm going to go ahead and now have 3 attempts to go ahead and get my heaviest power clean. Then I'll move to the bench press, where I'll do the same thing. I might take a few sets to kind of warm up, but once I declare that I'm starting, I'm going to go ahead and get 3 attempts at that bench press. For both of those movements, if you miss the lift, you don't get credit for that lift, and you've lost your 1 attempt. All right, so again, we only get 3 attempts to be able to get to our heaviest. And then on the last piece, you're going to have 3 attempts to accumulate max seconds of a pull-up bar hang. That means I'm going to jump up and I'm going to hang for as long as I can. If I come down after 30 seconds, I do get credit for that 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and rest, and then whenever I think I'm ready, I'm going to go again. Maybe I get 30 more seconds. Now I'm up to 60 seconds. All right, and then I'll do it one more time to go ahead and kind of put a cap on that final max seconds. And we're going to be accumulating. So say my third attempt, I got 31 seconds. That means I have in total 91 seconds that I get to go ahead and put towards my overall total. I'll be getting credit for my heaviest power clean, my heaviest bench press, and then the total number of seconds that I accrued in each one of those attempts. And that'll give us 1 grand total. And that is how we're going to go ahead and score the CFTY version 2 total. This workout's going to be fun, but remember, the clock is going to work against you. Do not waste too much time doing a bunch of different warm-up sets, because if you do all of your time in the power clean and you have very little time left over for the other parts, you're going to not be able to get the best score. So manage your time. Recommend doing about 10 minutes for the power clean, 15 minutes for the bench press, and then finally the remaining time in those attempts for those second holds. It's going to be interesting how you fare in this amazing version 2 of the CFTY total.